Hello everyone, this is your sensei, Joe Lau, and this is the Fire Dojo. Alright, so today, actually about a month or two ago, my friend Shelly sent me some fireweed from out west because I couldn't get any out here. So we're going to try some fireweed today, and we're not just going to try it. This is actually my first ever attempt at fireweed. So this for me is a fire hack. This is my first time. So I've heard rumors it can be done. I've never seen it done. I'm sure it can be done, but we're going to put the pencil to the paper today. So Jake, can you get up? We're going to do pine board again. If you're watching earlier, we just did swamp rose mallow right here. But on one of these right here, we're just going to do a fireweed. You can see there's nothing in the notch. Ready? Sure. So we have to get this mated, warmed up. Don't put your face too close to the smoke. Oh. Split. Hold on one second. Let's try that again. I'm going to go a little lower so I don't split the stalk out, I think. It's a very fragile stalk. It's almost like a reed. Almost. So we're starting to fill with dust. Oh. Gotta keep it warm. Keep going. Got some fire there. Alright. Stay right there, Jake.
Yep.
That one made me earn it a little bit. Alright. Fireweed. Fireweed is a hollow. Fireweed is a bit of a hollow. Okay, it's pretty fragile. It's almost like a lettuce or one of the really thin-walled hollows. Alright. Thanks for your help today, Jake.
Yep.
Okay, let's keep going.